he's fine.
And I'm putting my uncle in a home. It's been rough. Thank you for asking.
Are you okay, Joseph? You
No,
don't have
he's
to
fine.
stay.
He's
No,
just
I'm not
needs
fine.
some air.
No, I'm not fine.
No, you're making scenes.
Yeah, well, your dick's unusually small.
Should I be sticking around for this?
Yeah, sit down, sit down. All right, everyone, we're going to move to the open mic portion.
Gloria
We're not
Gurney,
gonna-
originally from
I guess we
Manhattan,
started.
currently
I guess so,
residing
okay,
in
fine.
Nazareth. Or should I wait? I'm
No,
sorry.
it's fine. It's just everyone needs to limit their comments to 3 minutes.
Okay. I'm here today in support of this incredible family over here. I lied. I'm saying what the Deweyes have lost is none of us can know. I'm here today because this morning I was struck with a sense of not understanding, but being a part of your family, Joseph, not by blood, but no, I'm fine. I'm saying I've lost family. I know how people leave you. They love you. They leave you. And then in a flash, happiness becomes this thing in other people's eyes.
I just need you to just join me in the
I don't know why some people's lives are full of getting scraped down. It's unknowable. But this morning, I felt not just my sadness, it was yours. It was all of ours. We are not strangers. We know each other well. We know each other well.
Is she high? I mean,
Sam, please step away from the mic. I'm gonna.
oh, God. No, take care of
What are
me.
you doing
I
here?
was scared. I was alone after
Yeah, but I asked you not to
Paul said no to me. They said maybe the geography idea if I wasn't involved. As if there'd be a book proposal.
It was
without
my
me.
father's
No, Joseph,
idea.
I know. I'm saying that we know each other well.
No, you don't know my father well.
No, Joseph, we're like family. We're together.
No, we're not. What's wrong with you? Take care of yourself. We're alone.
Who's
Shit.
taking pictures?
Sorry.
Joseph.
Please don't flash photography.
No, please, let's go back to the office.
No, I quit.
Please, Joe, I need you to help me get
We're
home.
going to need to take another recess.